Hello, friends. Welcome to Laws and Scriptures 360. So, in today's video, we're going to be discussing a very interesting topic. But you remember the video I made on how to perfect your title to a gifted landed property, either a house or an empty land. And I got some questions that is giving rise to today's video. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, this is an amazing opportunity for you to subscribe. Please share this link because the information you're going to be getting today is quite packed and it's something that is beneficial to everyone. I mean everyone. Yes, everyone. So you would need to share it even to your enemies. Please share. And please like our videos to encourage us to keep going. So we're going to be discussing the topic that says gift intervivo. Gift in Now, a gift intervivo is a gift that is made during the lifetime of the donor. A gift that is made and executed during the lifetime of the donor, and it also takes effect even in the lifetime of the donor. Now, the reason why I'm discussing this is because I got a question from a prospective client why he was asking me if it's still necessary to go and apply for letters of administration over the estate of his deceased dad, because his dad already gifted each of his siblings, including him, his landed properties and some of his properties before he died. But unfortunately, no document that evidences that was made. So there was a little bit of conflict as to who owns which and who should take over which. Now, if the father during his lifetime did a deed of gift that reflected each of the gifts that he made to each of his children, I'm sure they won't be having these issues now. So that is where a gift inter vivo comes up. A gift inter vivo, like I said, is a gift that is made by a living donor to a living donee and takes effect during the lifetime of both parties. For example, in the case of this my prospective client, if his father executed a deed of gift with respect to the gifts he made over his landed properties and all his properties to his children, then there won't be any need for either probate or letters of administration upon his demise. So I had to advise him to please quickly go for letters of administration to be able to properly distribute the estate of his father. So that is where we are. So my advice is, if you don't want to put your children or your loved ones through the stress of going to apply for letters of probate or going to apply for letters of administration. Look, especially in Nigeria, the truth is that applying for these things are possible, but they take a while. They don't just take a while. They also would they also cost some money, because of course you will engage the service of a legal practitioner. You can't do that on your own. If you want to apply for letters of probate or letters of administration, you would need to engage the services of a legal practitioner. You have to also pay the necessary fees at the probate registries. The probate registry, you'll be making the application, and in most cases the probate registry takes a percentage of the estate depending on particular circumstances, which can be avoided if a gift inter vivo was made. If the deceased made a gift to all his loved ones and executed a document to that effect, that's a deed of gift reflecting how each and every one of them should take or should have access to his estate, then you will see that you will cut off the need for all this. So that is where a gift inter vivo comes. Now, a gift inter vivo is not just applicable in Nigeria. A gift inter vivo applies to um, a lot of countries all over the world. It's recognized in a lot of countries all over the world. But it depends on particular circumstances and their administration of estate laws, you know. But in Nigeria, I'm very sure that it is applicable, yeah, because it reflects the desires of the donor of the gift. And and I also want to add that in preparing that gift, it is very important that you engage the services of a legal practitioner. Don't just write something on paper and sign and think that, you know, it works, or you download something on the internet and go with it. You might have problems in future. So there is every need for you to engage the service of a legal practitioner that is experienced in that field to guide you in making these gifts. Because if we talk about a gift inter vivo and you have a lot of estates to distribute and probably multiple persons, then you will need the service of a legal practitioner to properly do that, so that there won't be issues when you are no more. I want to thank you all for having me, and enjoy the rest of your day.